waiting for the Growth Journeys event today, which is the third event that we are having today. The Growth Journey began as an idea. The idea turned into a dream. The dream became dreams as many people joined the Growth Journey. And we are here today with the third event, making the dreams come true and providing sessions for people interested in self-development. This is possible here because of the vision and the idea of a man, the one and only Lion Suresh Kukreja. Sir, we would like to have you on stage. Suresh, sir, the brainchild behind this event. We began small, and I'm sure we are going to keep on growing. Suresh, sir, a huge round of applause for him, please. The objectives of the Growth Journey, I would like to share with you in a few lines which I just penned down in Hindi. कोई आसमां मेरी उड़ान को रोक नहीं पाएगी, मेरी मंजिल तो तय है, कोई आंधी मुझे रोक नहीं पाएगी. चलते रहना मेरी आदत है, सीखना सिखाना मेरी फितरत है. दो साथ मेरे तो एक नई आसमां हम बनाएंगे, उड़ने की तालीम हम दिलाएंगे. जीत जाए हम और तुम, बस यही गुनगुनाए हम और तुम. समा को और भी रंगीन करने के लिए आपके सामने पेश कर रही हूँ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत शख्स जिनका नाम है अरमान ठाकुर. अरमान ठाकुर, please, we would like you on stage. This young lad has been singing since the age of 12 years. He has won many college competitions, inter-college competitions, and also the gold medal at the university competitions in singing. He is well versed in all the genres of music, be it classical, be it Bollywood, be it contemporary, and be it Western. So, a huge round of applause for him and his team, Arman Thakur.
Thank you. Thank you, Bijimus. Check, 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 check. Thank you, Bijimus, for this opportunity. Good evening, everyone. So, I'm going to be singing some songs. I hope you guys will like it.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी. मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती है, मेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझे से शिकायत होगी. मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी, आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी. ला 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 la 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 la. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया. ला 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 ला, दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे, मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या कहूँ मैं दिलरुबा, चला ये जादू तेरी आँखों का, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया, संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया, ला 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 अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबा पे स्वाद रखना, दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना, अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया, चन्ना मेरे या छन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया ओ बिया, चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया ओ बिया, टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पूर्वाही रास्ता देखे, दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे, गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई, शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ, रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा कैसा तू है निर्मोही, कैसा हर जाइया,
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Arman. I'm sure this was a lovely beginning. May I request Lion Suresh Kukreja sir to come on stage, and our advisory member Rashida Kapadia to come on stage, please. Suresh sir, the crowd is waiting for you. May I request Neetu Banta to come forward for the next part of the session. Have a lovely evening. This is live designer Biji Tushar signing off for right now.
Good evening, everyone. I'm sure that you guys are going to enjoy the upcoming event, and you're going to get great amount of knowledge too. On behalf of the Growth Journey team, I feel I'm privileged to extend warm welcome and thank you to all participants, guests of honors, and expert speakers. I would like to invite our first guest of honor, Mr. Shyam Iyer, to come on stage, please. Mr. Shyam Iyer is currently heading the HR function at Tata Power SED and is part of the senior leadership team. He has been conferred the prestigious HR Leadership Award at 7th Employer Branding Awards 2012. He was instrumental in designing and executing various OD interventions in Tata Power Group, which led to A winners in driving excellence change management at 2nd HR Excellence Summit 2016, organized by Business World, and lot many of awards, and this was just one or two of them. I call upon stage Mr. Ajit Vidyadharan to offer him the token of appreciation. Now I invite Mr. Vineet Rastogi to come on stage, please. Mr. Vineet Rastogi is a co-founder of BizPay India. It is one of the kind to B2B online cashless marketplace to auto-generate more customers and more sales for all kinds of small and medium enterprises. He has been working on an innovative business development program for 14 years. WHO, World Bank, United Nations Development Program has been his direct clients. I would call upon stage Ms. BG to offer the token of appreciation to Mr. Rastogi. I would like to invite our third guest of honor, Mr. Sanjay Madan, who is also the speaker of today's evening. Mr. Sanjay Madan is a co-founder of Crorepati Club training programs, and his focus is on creating a mindset that attracts good health, great relationships, and abundance of money and wealth for 1 million business owners worldwide through his seminars, webinars, books, workshops, and communication. I would like to call Mrs. Madhu Carlo to offer the token of appreciation to Mr. Madan. Okay. Mr. Abhishek Banerjee is coming to offer the token of appreciation. Now, I would like to invite all our esteemed speakers of the evening to come up on stage, please. Mrs. Reena De Silva, Mr. Nishikant Suryavanshi, and Mr. Anil Thomas, Mr. Neeraj Kapoor. I would also like to invite our fourth guest of honor, Mr. Chandrakant Suryavanshi, who is from Jalgaon. Mr. Chandrakant Suryavanshi? Yeah. He's a managing director of Lakshmi Agrochemical and Green Star Irrigation Private Limited. Mr. and Mrs. Where's Mrs. Surya? Welcome on stage, Mrs. Suryavanshi. Okay, so I would like Biji to come on stage and please hand over the token of appreciation to Mr. Neeraj Kapoor. I would request Mr. Shyam Iyer to hand over the token of appreciation to Mr. Anil Thomas. Okay, he's on the way, so Mr. Shyam Iyer, please offer the appreciation to Mr. Sanjay Madan. Oh, he's already. Mr. Vineet Rastogi, please offer the token of appreciation to Mr. Nishikant Suryavanshi. Nishikant. Rashida, I would like you to offer the gift to Mr. Anil Thomas. Oh, he's not there, sorry. To Reena De Silva. Thank you so much. Thank you to all guests of honors and speakers on stage.
Mr. Chandrakant Suryavanshi and his wife.
Okay. The token of appreciation by Biji to Mr. Chandrakant Suryavanshi and Mrs. Suryavanshi. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you all are eagerly waiting to hear the speakers. So we will start now. Time is free, but it is priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. All we have to decide is what to do with all the time that is given to us. And who better than Nishikant Suryavanshi, who is going to speak about life means the felicitous use of time. Please welcome Mr. Nishikant Suryavanshi.
महाराष्ट्र के खानदेश में एक छोटे से गांव में जन्मे श्री निशिकांत जयराम सूर्यवंशी अमरावती यूनिवर्सिटी से अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद किसी की नौकरी ना करने का फैसला लिया। हालांकि घर में 3 भाई और पिताजी सरकारी खाते में अच्छे ओहदे पर थे, फिर भी निशिकांत जी ने अच्छी खासी नौकरी को ठुकराते हुए अपना खुद का बिजनेस शुरू करने का फैसला किया। तभी 1990 में अपने भाइयों के साथ मिलकर डायमंड नाम की कंपनी शुरू की, जो पोर्टेबल ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टीवी बनाती थी। तभी दूसरी तरफ पिताजी का सपना भी पूरा करना था। किसानों को कम दाम में अपनी खेती के लिए अच्छी दवाइयां मिले, इस उद्देश्य से उन्होंने फिर 1994 में लक्ष्मी एग्रो केमिकल्स नाम से और एक कंपनी की स्थापना की। अपने भाइयों की मदद से साल 2000 तक कंपनी ने अपना मुकाम हासिल कर लिया था। लक्ष्मी एग्रो के सेल्स और डेवलपमेंट की पूरी जिम्मेदारी तब तक निशिकांत जी ही संभाल रहे थे। इस दौरान बिजनेस में कई उतार चढ़ाव निशिकांत जी ने काफी नजदीक से महसूस किए। अपने इन्हीं अनुभवों को वो सबके साथ बांटना चाहते थे, ताकि हर कोई अपना मुकाम आसानी से पा सके। और तभी शुरुआत हुई निशिकांत जी के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम की। आज निशिकांत जी मोटिवेशनल ट्रेनर के रूप में अपना एक मुकाम बना चुके हैं। सेल्स, NLP, नेटवर्किंग, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट, द पावर ऑफ गोल्स, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, आर्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग, रिलेशनशिप जैसे विषयों पर वे 250 से अधिक सेमिनार कर चुके हैं। आज तक उनके सेमिनार अटेंड किए हुए सब ने अपने जिंदगी में एक अलग मुकाम हासिल किया है। सेमिनार से निकले कई व्यक्ति आज अलग अलग ओहदों पर अपना काम बखूबी से निभा रहे हैं। सेल्स से लेकर रिलेशनशिप तक की कई समस्याओं का समाधान आपको निशिकांत जी के सेमिनार में जरूर मिलेगा। आर्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस का एक अलग अंदाज लेकर आपके सामने आ रहे हैं निशिकांत जयराम सूर्यवंशी। तो आइए तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं मोटिवेशनल ट्रेनर निशिकांत जी का।
मैं आपसे 3 जरूरी प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूं। 1, क्या आप इस करवट लेते युग के साथ खुद को बदलने की हिम्मत रखते हैं? 2, क्या आप हमेशा शिखर पर रहना चाहते हैं? और 3, क्या आप समय के साथ बदलने को तैयार हैं? अगर आपका उत्तर है हां, तो जान लीजिए कि कल की सफलता, आज की जीत और आने वाले कल की कामयाबी के पीछे बस एक ही रणनीति है, और वो है परिवर्तन। परिवर्तन पहले सोच में, फिर अमल में। अगर आप मेरे साथ हैं तो यूं समझिए वक्त आपके साथ है।
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। कुछ आवाज कम आ रही। गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। सो दोस्तों, सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम। द ग्रोथ जर्नी और द आर्ट ऑफ सक्सेस की तरफ से मैं निशिकांत जयराम सूर्यवंशी पेश कर रहा हूं द लाइफ मीन्स फेलोसिटियस यूज ऑफ टाइम। समय का समर्पक उपयोग ही जीवन है। दोस्तों, क्या है जीवन? क्या है? जन्म से लेके मृत्यु तक जो समय इंसान को मिला है उसे ही जीवन कहते हैं। लाइफ मीन्स, व्हाट इज लाइफ? लाइफ मीन्स टाइम। दोस्तों, क्या बेनिफिट्स मिलने वाले हैं? अगर समय का समर्पक सदुपयोग हम करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलने वाला है? निश्चित तौर पे यू आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव, you are reduce your stress, you are improve your happiness and also confidence, you are reach your goals, and you are making work and life easier. Time management is life management. अगर समय ही जीवन है दोस्तों, अगर समय ही जीवन है और यही समय अगर हमें ज्यादा मिलता है तो क्या बात। ये 2 सिस्टम से ज्यादा मिल सकता है। एक तो लंबी आयु मिलने से हमें समय ज्यादा मिल सकता है, और दूसरा जो समय हमारा वेस्ट जा रहा है, जो समय हमारा किल हो रहा है, जो समय हमारा चोरी हो रहा है, उसको हम अगर अपने लाइफ में अच्छे से यूज कर पाए तो निश्चित तौर पे हमारा जीवन, हमको जो चाहिए वो सक्सेस को हम पा सकते हैं जीवन में। दोस्तों, तो मेरा पहला वादा है कि आपको निश्चित तौर पे एक ज्यादा समय मिले। जो 30 के अंदर है, कम से कम आज उनको 20 साल एक्स्ट्रा एवरेज से ज्यादा लाइफ मिलने वाला है, और जो 50 के अंदर है उनको निश्चित तौर पे 10 साल एवरेज से ज्यादा आयु मिलने वाली है। दूसरा मेरा वादा है दोस्तों, सिर्फ आयु मिलने से क्या है, आयु के साथ में अगर हैप्पीनेस ना हो तो जीवन में मजा नहीं आता है। तो दूसरा मेरा वादा है दोस्तों कि आपका हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स जिस भी लेवल पे है निश्चित तौर पे वो इंक्रीज होगा, ये मेरा वादा है। मगर इसके लिए 2 टर्म्स है दोस्तों। एक तो अगले 25 मिनट में मैं जो भी कहूंगा वो मेरे कॉन्टेक्स्ट से आपको समझना होगा, एक। और दूसरा, उसको कल से आपको जीवन आचरण में लाना होगा, तो ये संभव है। दोस्तों, क्या आप तैयार हो? आवाज कम है। यस, थैंक यू। सो दोस्तों, 4 से 5% लोग इस दुनिया में जिनके पास 80% धन संपत्ति है, यानी 80% धन संपत्ति के वह मालिक है, और 5 से 7% लोग जो भी परिस्थिति है उस परिस्थिति में अपना हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स अच्छे लेवल पे रख पाने में सफल है। और कुछ लाखों में, करोड़ों में एक इंसान अपना नाम इतिहास में दर्ज कर पाता है। यह कब संभव है? इन लोगों ने जाने या अनजाने में 3 एरिया पे वर्क किया है। एक, एनर्जी, इंथुजियाज्म, उत्साह शक्ति। अगर यह है तो इंसान कुछ भी कर पाता है। वो इतनी होनी है जैसे एक अंतरिक्ष में जाते हुए यान के पूंछ में अग्नि होती है। इस लेवल का अगर इंथुजियाज्म हमारे पास हो तो हम अपने समय का सही उपयोग कर पाते हैं, अगर उसको दिशा भी सही मिलती है, और अपने पास जो भगवान ने दिए हुए टैलेंट है उसको भी इंसान यूज कर पाता है। दोस्तों, इन लोगों के लाइफ में भी निश्चित तौर पे दिन में 24 ही आवर थे, मगर उन लोगों ने अपने जीवन में ऐसा काम किया कि 10 पीढ़ियां भी या 500 साल भी लोग इनको भूल नहीं पाएंगे। उन्होंने उनके समय का समर्पक उपयोग किया और अपने को जो चाहिए जीवन में वो पाया है। दोस्तों, इंसान जीता तो इस समय में है, इंसान जीता तो इस समय में है, मगर फ्यूचर के चिंता से चिता की तरफ जाता है। दोस्तों, चिंता से चिता की तरफ जाते हैं और चिंतन से यश के तरफ, सक्सेस की तरफ इंसान जाता है। पास्ट की कुछ घटनाएं ऐसी होती है दोस्तों, अगर किसी इंसान ने आपको गाली दे दी तो आप उसको जीवन भर भूलेंगे नहीं। सही है? ओके। तो दोस्तों, उसको आप जीवन भर भूलेंगे नहीं। अगर किसी इंसान ने आपको अच्छा कह दिया तो मेरे ख्याल से कुछ क्षणों में या कुछ दिनों में निश्चित तौर पे आप भूल जाएंगे। और ये जो पास्ट रहता है और फ्यूचर है वो कैसे इरिटेट करता है, जैसे कि एक आंखों के सामने तेज लाइट चमकती है और उससे इंसान को आगे कहां चलना है वो समझता नहीं है, वो अपना शक्तिहीन होता है और पैर आगे डालता है। कुछ ना करो दोस्तों, इसको हम छोड़ नहीं सकते। इसको सिर्फ घुमा दो, उसको आगे कर दो तो आपको कहां पैर डालना है ये समझ में आएगा। दोस्तों, इसलिए पास्ट और फ्यूचर को सिर्फ दिमाग में पकड़ने से इंसान स्ट्रेस और फियर में जाता है। और दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा दहशतगर्दी कौन है? तो स्ट्रेस और फियर है, जिसने दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा जानें ली है। जान ले ली तो वो आदमी तो मुक्त हो जाता है, मगर जिंदा इंसान का ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो नुकसान किया है वो सिर्फ और स्ट्रेस और फियर से हुआ है। दोस्तों, एक छोटा सा प्रयोग लेंगे। ये क्या हुआ है? ये सभी विचारों के अंदर है, और विचार पे अगर हम लोगों ने कंट्रोल किया तो अपनी हैप्पीनेस जो है निश्चित तौर पे नेक्स्ट लेवल पे रहेगा। एक छोटा सा प्रयोग है। आप लोग आंख बंद कीजिए, धीरे धीरे आंख बंद कीजिए। अपने माता पिता का प्यार आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है, आपको अपने माता पिता की तस्वीर याद नहीं आ रही है? दोस्तों, जो शादीशुदा है उनको अपनी पहली सुहाग रात याद नहीं आ रही है। दोस्तों, धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं, धीरे धीरे सपने में नहीं रहना है। हाथ इस प्रयोग से मेरे को यही कहना था दोस्तों, सोच जो चल रही है वो हम चाहते उस तरफ लेके जा सकते हैं, मगर जिसको आप ना बोलेंगे तो भी वो आने ही वाली है। इसलिए सोच ही हमारा हैप्पीनेस का एक इंडेक्स अपने को ऊपर रख सकती है, क्योंकि जीता इंसान सिर्फ और सिर्फ वर्तमान में है। अगर समय का इस्तेमाल हमें कहाँ करना है, तो हर इंसान के एरिया अलग अलग है। वो अपने अपने सैटेलाइट व्यू से अगर देखता है तो उसे वो खर्च करता है। दोस्तों, मैं पूछता हूं, आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने अपने जीवन के लक्ष्य, गोल तय किए हैं? मैं देख पा रहा हूं दोस्तों, करीबन 5 से 7% लोग जो है अपना हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं। अपने देश की जीडीपी भी इतनी ही है दोस्तों। अगर 20% भी लोग अपना लक्ष्य तय करते हैं इंडिया में, तो इंडिया सबसे बड़ा आर्थिक देश रहेगा। दोस्तों, ये 4 महत्वपूर्ण एरिया है, इसके तो भी हम लोगों ने लक्ष्य तय करना जरूरी है। हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, लव, करियर, फैमिली। जिस चिट्ठी के ऊपर एड्रेस ना हो वो कहां जाने वाली? समय को कहां खर्च करना है ना हमें। जिस चिट्ठी के ऊपर एड्रेस ना हो वो कहां जाने वाली है? दोस्तों, मैंने करीबन स्टार्ट करने से अब तक 20 बार तो भी आपको दोस्त कह दिया है। आपसे तो दोस्ती हो गई। आप कल मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे मिलते हैं, सामान्य तौर से क्या सवाल पूछेंगे? क्या सवाल पूछेंगे मुझे? कहाँ जा रहे हो? बराबर है। क्यों जा रहे हो और कैसे जा रहे हो? सही है दोस्तों? आवाज कुछ मंद है, कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा। सही है? अगर मैं ये सवालों का जवाब देता हूं, मालूम नहीं कहां जा रहे हो, मालूम नहीं क्यों जा रहे हो, मालूम नहीं कैसे जा रहे हो, मालूम नहीं, आप बोलेंगे हाँ ये आदमी कल तो अच्छा था, लोगों के सामने बात कर रहा था, स्टेज पे था, पागल कब बन गया? ये इंसान पागल कब हुआ? दोस्तों, हम तो जीवन के जर्नी के लिए निकले हैं। हम तो जीवन के जर्नी के लिए निकले हैं। कहां जाना है, क्यों जाना है और कैसे जाना है, ये अगर तय नहीं है तो कहां जाने वाले हैं दोस्तों? दोस्तों, अगर कोई भी लक्ष्य हमको तय करना है तो उसको स्मार्ट से करना होगा। स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल, अचीवेबल, रियलिस्टिक और टाइम बाउंड। अगर समय ही जीवन है तो समय का महत्व जानना बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। अगर समय का महत्व जानना है दोस्तों, तो उस इंसान से पूछो जो पानी में डूबते हुए किसी ने आखिरी मिनट में उसे बचा लिया है, उसको जाके पूछो कि 1 मिनट का महत्व क्या होता है। 1 सेकंड का महत्व अगर जानना है दोस्तों, तो उस इंसान से पूछो जो किसी बड़े हादसे में आखिरी सेकंड के वजह से बच चुका है। उस इंसान से जाके पूछो कि 1 सेकंड का महत्व क्या होता है। अगर 1 मिली सेकंड का महत्व जानना है तो उस एथलीट से पूछो जो 100 मीटर ओलंपिक में सिर्फ सिल्वर मेडल ले पाता है, वो सालों प्रैक्टिस के बाद में 1 मिलीसेकंड पीछे होने की वजह से उसे सिल्वर मेडल लेना पड़ता है। आपका भगवान, आप जिनको भी मानते हो, अल्लाह, यीशु, वाहे गुरु, आप जिनको भी मानते हो दोस्त, अगर उन्होंने आपको 86,400 रुपीस दिए और कहा कि इसको आज ही खर्च करना है, इसको कल नहीं कर सकते, इसको आज ही खर्च करना है, हम तो स्मार्ट लोग हैं। जब खर्च करेंगे, नोट देते हैं, लेते हैं, तो 3-3 बार तो गिन के लेते हैं दोस्तों। सही है? अगर पैसे गिन के लेते हैं दोस्तों, तो भगवान ने हमें हर रोज के 86,400 सेकंड हमको लाइव दिया है, तो हम उसको खर्च करते वक्त क्यों नहीं सोचते? क्योंकि समय ही जीवन है और समय का महत्व बहुत बड़ा है। एवरेज तौर पे एवरेज 78 साल इंसान जीता है। देखते हैं कि वो इंसान 78 साल में क्या करता है। करीबन 28.3 ईयर इंसान सोने में उसके जाते हैं। जरूरी भी है, मगर इतना भी नहीं कि 28 साल यानी 2,50,000 आवर्स इंसान के सोने में जाते। तो अगर उसमें से 5-7 साल हम बचा सकते तो निश्चित तौर पे हमारा इतना लाइफ बढ़ सकता है। दोस्तों, 10.5 साल इंसान अपने जीवन में कार्य क्षेत्र में खर्च करता है, जिससे पैसे की आमदनी होती है। इंडिया में तो इससे ज़्यादा खर्च करते हैं, मगर सिर्फ दौड़ते दौड़ते रहते, कुछ नहीं, काम करते हैं। अगर दोस्तों फाइनेंस फ्री होना है और टाइम फ्री होना है तो ये डायग्राम को देखो। पहले शुरू में तो मेहनत है, शुरू में मेहनत है, बाद में रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट शुरू करो ताकि डेलीगेशन कैसे करे, सिस्टम कैसे लगाए, एटोमाइजेशन कैसे हो, टीम कैसे डेवलप करना है, सिक्योरिटी कैसे रहेगी। जो भी लोग इस दुनिया में जिन्होंने बहुत सारा पैसा कमाया है, उन लोगों ने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया है दोस्तों। क्या फॉर्मूला है? ओपीएम अदर पर्सन मनी, ओपीटी अदर पर्सन टाइम, ओपीटी अदर पर्सन टैलेंट। जिन लोगों ने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया है, उन लोगों ने अपने जीवन में जो चाहे वो पाया है। टीवी स्क्रीन के सामने इंसान के करीबन 9 साल खर्च होते हैं। इतना जरूरी भी नहीं होता है। टीवी सीरियल बनाने वाले तो ऐसे ही बनाते हैं कि आप वहां पे अटक के रहे और आपका समय खर्च हो, मगर उससे कितना फायदा होता है? निश्चित सीरियल वालों को ज्यादा होता है, मगर आप लोगों को कितना होता है उसका सोचो, उस प्रपोर्शन में ही आप उसको खर्च करो। दोस्तों, खाने पीने के अंदर 4 साल हमारे खर्च होते हैं, देना भी चाहिए, उसका आनंद भी लेना चाहिए। मैंने देखा कुछ लोग 90 तो ऐसे गटकते हैं कि जैसे 2 मिनट में पी गए। दोस्तों, कौन है अपने समय का किलर? मुझे बता सकते हैं आप? कौन है अपने समय का किलर? अपना समय को कौन नष्ट कर पाता है? कौन नष्ट करता है? खुद अपन ही अपने समय को नष्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। मैं आखिरी में मेरा एक हिंदी में कविता है, उसको सुनाता हूँ। उसके बाद में मेरा समय समाप्त हो रहा है। तो मैं एक दिन रास्ते से जा रहा था, एक इंसान खून में लथपथ पड़ा, एक्सीडेंट की वजह से पड़ा था। उसको अस्पताल लेके गया। डॉक्टर ने कहा ये तो कोमा में गया है। तब मेरे को एक कविता सूझी, वही मैं आपको सुनाता हूं। ए मौत जरा रुक, मेरा असली जीना तो अभी बाकी है। माता पिता को तीर्थ यात्रा लेके जाना है, अपनों की सेवा का आनंद उठाना अभी तो बाकी है। अपनों से प्यार आसमानी है, मगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ मन में है, आचरण में लाना अभी बाकी है। आदत से मजबूर मैं बात बात पे जुबानी तीर चलाता हूं, माफी मांगना अभी बाकी है मौत जरा रुक, मेरा असली जीना तो अभी बाकी है। मेरे लिए माता पिता को छोड़ के आने वाली, प्यार से मेरी सेवा करने वाली मेरे घरवाली को समय देना अभी बाकी है। प्यार तो जी जान से करता हूं, प्यार तो जी जान से करता हूं, मगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ दिल में है, आचरण में लाना अभी बाकी है। आदत से मजबूर मैं समय समय पे अपनों को ही नीचा दिखाता हूं, माफी मांगना अभी बाकी है मौत जरा रुक, मेरा असली जीना तो अभी बाकी है। दोस्तों के साथ दोस्ती निभाना, खुल के जीना, मौज मस्ती करना अभी बाकी है यमदूत तू लेके ही जा, मगर उसको जो मेरे अंदर बैठा बुरी आदतों का शैतान है, जिसमें अहम वहम क्रोध ईर्ष्या भरी पड़ी है, तू उसे ही लेके जा, क्योंकि मुझे तो प्यार के कश्ती में बैठ के आनंद सागर से आनंद गाँव चाहते रहना है दोस्त मैं चलते रहता हूँ, मौत तो रुक, मेरा असली जीना तो अभी बाकी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Nishikant ji. And our next speaker today is a young and dynamic entrepreneur, a business strategist, a transformational catalyst, and a digital marketing expert. Neeraj Kapoor. He is a transformational leader who has been contributing to the life of millions of people and coaching them to increase their businesses exponentially, grow, and accomplish their true potential. His focus lies in enabling and empowering people and businesses towards enhancement of performance and productivity in all areas of life. He uses the new age technology of programming the human mind for success, assisted with the advances of the digital world. He is also the co-founder and CEO of Grow Brands Worldwide, building India's #1 startup consultancy. Early in his career, he has been adjudged as the India's greatest brand builder by CMO Council Asia at Singapore. Give him a huge round of applause, this young and dynamic man, Mr. Neeraj Kapoor.
So good evening, everybody. Good evening. Can you all hear me? Yes. But I can't. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Great. So are we all ready for the time management? Yes. What Nishikant spoke, and I really thank what he said just the beginning of the session about managing time. And here we are today about managing time and programming ourselves for success. So how many of you are ready for programming for success? Great, I can see so many hands up. Great, so let's begin. Let's begin with a simple exercise. Can someone quickly come up on the stage? One volunteer I need for that. Quickly, someone. Anyone, please, 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 come. Quick.
Yes.
Good evening to you. What's your good name?
Umesh Modi.
Umesh, and what do you do?
I'm a mind power trainer.
Great. So here is a small gift for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Did you all see when I asked for, please take your seat, Umesh. When I asked for a volunteer on the stage How much thoughts went into your mind? Me? Should I? Some people are curious sitting over here. Some people are having anxiety. Some people are really thinking, ये क्या बोलने वाले हैं भाई साहब आज? Maybe what is happening really here? So some people are really wanting to know more about it. And nothing is wrong. All these places, wherever you are, it's fine, perfectly fine. But one of you actually stood up from his chair and came on the stage. He took that risk. And I could have asked him anything. He didn't know what's going to be asked from him. Maybe I could have asked him something which he was not comfortable with, or it may be too confronting for him. But he took that risk. How many of you have taken such risk in your life? Look back in your life tonight. This is your moment. Look back. Every time there are opportunities knocking on your door, something is stopping you. Something is coming in the way. And that's what we are going to deal with it tonight. So ready? Curiously engaged. Next, please. We often talk about listening, but how many times do we listen? Does anybody know what is the difference between listening and hearing? Any volunteers? Yes. Yes, please.
Listening is something we have to not only listen what he says, but totally with the body and full ourself.
Great. Anybody else? What's hearing then?
Understanding what he's trying to say.
Okay, wonderful. See, most of the times, we are not listening. We are not listening to the other person. We are listening to something inside our own head. Like right now I am talking to you, and you are thinking, what is happening? What is this guy saying? And that's the voice inside your own head. That's not listening. Most of the times, we don't even listen. We don't even listen to our wife. We don't listen to our children. We don't listen to our colleagues. We think we are listening, but we are not. So if you see, hearing tells you the music is playing, but listening tells you what song it is. That's the difference between hearing and listening. Look into your lives. That's the first step towards programming yourself for success. Next. That's the voice inside your head. And someone who founded Apple, his name was Steve Jobs, he said, the voice inside your head that tells you it can't be done is a liar. Next. So should we start? That's just a beginning.
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much for allowing me to do that. So let us look at two words. Programming for success. It involves two words. Programming and success. Next, please. Keep moving. Do that. Do that. So ready for it? Two words, only two words. For is a conjunction. Programming and success. What do we understand of programming? If we really go back in time, programming as defined by the Oxford Dictionary, or if we Google it, we'll find the definition of programming is very simple. It's a structured set of commands that are being given to achieve an output. Most of the times in our life, right from the time that we have been born, we have been getting these commands as an operating system, as a program. And most of the time, these are the systems that we have built up since the time we have been growing up. You have a mobile in your hand, right? You have a mobile. You have a computer you use. You have a laptop. And each of these things use a certain program. And these programs allow you to facilitate your productivity, your performance. There is an input and there is an output. How many times have we realized that as human beings, we are also programmed? We are also programmed beings. How many times in the life that we have been through so far, we have woken up saying that today I will have a fight with someone. Today I will actually have an argument with my boss. Today I will actually, do something wrong. But we end up doing that. And in the course of the day, when we retire, we realize, no, actually I was not wanting to, but I did it. I don't know what happened to me. Anybody with me? Yeah. Please raise your hands if you are. That means you are really listening. Thank you so much for your alignment. And that's the time you look back and something in you tells you that something is happening with me. I am doing what I am not wanting to do. And that is the time when we often forget that there is a certain programming which is operating in my head. And that is not for success. That is for something else. Keep moving. It is your subconscious mind which is holding everything. And subconscious mind is as much as 90% inside. We all know about it. So where is this programming really happening? It is happening in the subconscious mind. And if you see, the conscious mind is 10%, subconscious mind is 90%. That's the place where all your programming, right from your childhood, is happening. And you are not even aware. Why do you fear fire? Why do you fear taking a dip in the swimming pool? Many of us over here don't even know swimming. Like I don't know. My son does a great job on swimming. And there are times when we have fears, we have concerns that are doing the rounds. And this is all nothing but the subconscious mind, the programming that has already been done. Today is your chance. And I mean right now. The person sitting in your chair, not your neighbor. Do you get that? I mean right now. The person sitting in your chair has an opportunity to actually walk this auditorium as a different human being. Let's do that. With me? So far? Great. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourishes with repetition, it becomes that. That's what success. Success is an accomplishment defined by Oxford or by Google. Accomplishment of an aim or a purpose. What is your definition of success? Anybody would like to answer that? Please. Yes. To do what you want. To do what you want. That's your definition of success, or that is what your understanding of success? That's my understanding. Great. Anybody else? Yes, ma'am.
To see my children bloom.
To see my children bloom. So nice. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Yes.
To fulfill our dreams at right time.
Be specific about your life. We are not here like... Okay. Be specific about your life. Yes, please.
Success is a decision.
No, I am asking not the definition of success. What does success mean to you as a person? So listen, see, this is what happens. I asked, what does success mean to you as a person?
Sense of satisfaction.
Great. Satisfaction, yes.
Mr. Kapoor, do what you love and love what you do. That is success for me.
For me, okay, good.
For me, success is to travel all over the world.
Wow, awesome. Please, let me have some more responses.
Achieving the goals.
Achieving the goals. You want to achieve your goals and you have set up some goals for yourself. Great. At an early age of yourself, I am so inspired with you. Thank you so much.
Mine is very simple, never to retire.
Never to retire. Can we see each one of us? Some of the people have spoken. Yes, please.
Success means sense of achievement.
What's your definition of success, sir?
Yes, whatever I do.
Great.
Whatever effort I do.
Great.
After completing that, I get a sense of achievement.
Wow.
And satisfaction.
Wow. Awesome.
It means for me.
Got it. Thank you. Please take a seat. Please see this. Please observe. I think there's one more guy before we move forward. Yes, sir.
To die with memories, not with goals.
Two?
Die with memories, not with goals.
Awesome. Have a look among yourselves tonight. Each one of us has a different definition of success. There are no two definitions which were alike. Did you all realize that? Yes. And that's what happens. Conscious mind of us has a certain definition of success. And my dear friends, that's the good part of the news. The bad news is you don't even know your definition of success yet. You have a fair idea of it, but you have not put a hand on that. Consider that and start your journey again. And I'm telling you, you would be surprised, you would be amazed at the kind of magic that you are capable of, the kind of miracles you can cause in your own very life, this very life. Success is a multi-stage process. It does not come to you. You go to it. Next, please, keep moving. And why does it happen? That success often eludes us. Anyone? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Got it. Or we don't execute it. Okay. Yes, sir. We lose focus. Okay.
See, I believe the human mind is very confused with your day-to-day life. When you're living your day-to-day life, you tend to get affected with your family and other issues and so many things. You have speed breakers in the path of life. You get stuck with that. That's why you don't achieve success.
Okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
We set the goal, but we do not program the pathway properly.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much. I would really want to thank each one of you. Please, applause for yourself. Really wonderful participation. And believe me, the idea standing over here is not to give you a dialogue. It's not about giving you something that you don't align with. It's a conversation. Please participate in this conversation, and I promise you, whatever 15-20 minutes that are left over, you are not going to be the same person before you leave this place tonight. So thank you so much for your participation. And let me share it with you. As you say, programming for success is all about getting insight for what's happening with us right now. When this video is playing, look back in yourself. What's the conversation that's going on in your mind? Just look back. Just see. For a second, what's the conversation? Great. Especially when the success eludes us, most of us give up without even realizing what our real goal is or what our real success is supposed to mean to us. When you are programming yourself for success, the first step is be unstoppable. Whatever comes in your way, whatever comes across, and most of the times, we have this habit. We blame on time, place, and circumstances. अरे ये उसने बराबर नहीं किया. अरे ये मेरा वक्त ही खराब था. 7:30 चल रही है कई लोगों की तो. Correct? हाँ? या वो जगह बराबर नहीं थी. Let's get real. 100% of your success is 100% your responsibility, nobody else's. It's not the world out there who is responsible for your success. It is you, only you. And there is a small formula which I can give it to you to remember for life is whatever happens, events, and whatever your responses are, ER equals the accomplishments that you have in your life. So ER is equal to A. Just remember that. ERA, era. And that's what will change the era around you. Next. Let's look at this. Identifying the virus. What does it mean? We have not been looking at our viruses. We are not looking at our malwares. We look at our computers. We get them serviced regularly. We look at our cars. We get them serviced regularly. But how many times have you stopped and looked at yourself and said, oh my God, I'm not really getting results. Let me look at my mind. What's happening with me? And I really want to acknowledge you. You are the ones in the entire city of Mumbai who have chosen to identify the viruses. Big applause to each one of you. Believe me, it's not a joke. Then a population of 1.25 crores that this city has, only 400 people of you who are willing to get success in your life are here. A big applause to each one of you again. And how do you handle and how do you identify your viruses? How do you identify your malwares? First of all, let's look at what's a virus. The kind of work that you have been doing since beginning, since childhood, there are times when there are malwares which have got functional in your systems. Like, I will give you an example. I was in class 6th, about 11 years of age, and I belong to a defense background. So my father was in defense, and we had a party at Brigadier Saab's house, bungalow. And I was taken along with my sister and my mother and my father. Everybody went into a rickshaw, hopping together, and we went to Brigadier Saab's place. And there, performance was being organized for various children and various things. And my number was also there. And I was called in. I came all the way in front of the audience. I started to recite a poem. And after the first line, I just dropped dead. I had no idea what to say because I forgot the poem. And उस वक्त यही लग रहा था, हे भगवान ये धरती फट जाए और मैं यहां समा जाऊं. That day, something happened. I installed a virus. I installed a malware. And I said to myself that अब कुछ भी हो जाए, कभी strangers के सामने तो मुंह नहीं खोलना है. और public में तो कभी नहीं. और जहां पर अपनों की इज्जत का ऊपर आ जाए, वहां पे तो कभी जाना ही नहीं सामने किसी के. That was the time I stopped from going in front of the stage. It took me a long time that I am standing in front of you. It happened after 20 years that I was in college, and I used to take active interest in setting up the audio systems and stuff like that. And it happened by accident that when the college gathering was happening, I just went on the mic and I was supposed to do sound check, and I said, check, hello, 1, 2, 3. And it worked very well. People applauded. I don't know for what. And then I realized, oh my God, I had wasted all my, those 20 years thinking that I can't speak in front of the public. That's the virus. Now that's just one of them. There could be thousands of them that are playing in your head, that are playing in our head. We don't even know that. Simple litmus test I will give you tonight. Whenever in life you are stopped by something, doing big, you know it is right, but you don't have the guts to take action. Get this for real. There is an action, there is a malware that is holding you back, that is coming in the way. That very moment, you have a choice. You have a choice to get hold of the malware, get in action, either uninstall it or do whatever needs to be done and take action. Possible? Yes. Can I take a promise from each one of you? Yes. Great. Thank you so much. You have a choice. At each moment of life, you have a choice. Not one, but always many of them. Either it is apple versus a pastry, or there are various destinations you can be going tonight. You already had a choice. When you came this evening, you had a choice. Either to come by your own vehicle, or to take a Uber, or to take a rickshaw, or to take a train. Helicopter service is not yet available over here. But that could also be a choice next time when we do the program. Yes, and these are the choices. These are the choices you have in your life. Tonight when you go back home, you will have a choice again. Whether to go back to your home or to your neighbor's home. That was a fun part of it. Please delete it before uploading on YouTube. Thank you so much. So please get this real. We always have choices. in our career, in our family life, when we interact with our children, when we interact with our parents, when we interact with our wife or spouse. You have a choice to set it right. And invariably, after tonight, you will be reminded by me every time you do something which you never wanted to do. So believe me, after tonight, I'm not going to leave you. I will be there with you, reminding you. It will be your choice again. After you have done something that you never wanted to do or did not appreciate doing it, you have a choice again to apologize. As simple as that. Complete with the person. So how do we complete? Good choices, bad choices. Keep moving. One more. Just complete. Just go back. Just complete with that past. And what is the past? Past is not 30 years ago, 50 years ago, or 100 years ago. Past is the moment that was going just like this. Past is the moment that's gone now. Past is the moment that's gone now. Like this, like this. This moment that has gone back is the past. In your moments of present, if you can keep completing with the past, moment by moment, second by second, you will be amazed how miraculously you are actually uninstalling the malwares and the viruses installed already. And you will be amazed by the sheer enthusiasm, by the sheer momentum that you will gain in your life. Next, please. The moment you complete your past comes the next stage. I'm sorry I'm going a little fast tonight for the simple reason because I have a time limit over here. Like my friend told me, 30 minutes. And when I walked up, he said, 25 mein kar dena. Can you get that? Because we have to respect time. So I'm sorry I'm running with you and I expect you to be keeping pace with me. I hope you are all with me right now. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So the moment you are completing the past, that space is vacant. That space is empty. You have a choice again to create something new. Create a new future. Create a new future in that moment. And that future could be as small as saying hello to a long-lost friend whom you have not said hello for a long time. I'm sure on your mobile phones and all the gadgetries that we have, you have at least 3 friends of yours whose birthday will be today. Am I right, sir? At least 2-3 दोस्त होंगे आपके. अगर आप मोबाइल देखोगे तो फेसबुक वाला रिमाइंड करता है आजकल अपने को कि आपके दोस्त का बर्थडे है. How many times have you taken the pain of calling that guy whom you have not called for the last 10 years or 20 years maybe? Believe me, that's a new creation. I'm telling you, you will be surprised the kind of miracles that can happen in that very moment. Take a dip. Okay? Yes. Look at the first thing once you are creating a new future. Who am I? I don't mean who am I. Ask yourself, who am I? Anyone who would like to volunteer? Yes. Who are you really? Tell me.
Well, I'm a mad person.
Great.
Pursuing something which I believe in, so I'm just badly.
मैं आगरा का हूं सर, मेरे से ज्यादा नहीं हो गए आप. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm a soul.
You are a soul. Good. Anybody else? Who am I? Ask yourself. Ask yourself. Who are you really?
Infinite energy.
Infinite energy is what you have. You have energy. But who are you?
I am me.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what I am, but my father used to call me Nalayak Mulga.
ऐसे ही लेबल लगा के जीते हैं सर हम.
मजा है.
ऐसे ही लेबल लगा के जीते हैं हम.
Also Nalayak only become successful.
बहुत सक्सेसफुल होते हैं लोग ऐसे, क्योंकि नालायक तो वहां से तो स्टार्ट की जर्नी है आपने, अब तो लायक बनना है. तो ऐसे ही लेबल लग जाते हैं हमारे ऊपर. Who am I? Yes, sir. Yes. So what do you decide to be? Okay. Okay, got it. So नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जॉब खतरे में लग रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनेंगे तो ऐसे लगता है. जी हाँ, भगवान के अंश हैं. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट टू intriguing yourself, who am I really? You will start to get answers which will amaze you. Which will amaze you. And like people over here said, that मैं भगवान का अंश हूं. I am infinite energy. I can achieve whatever I want. You will get answers which will amaze you to program yourself for success. Keep moving. Yes, sir. Next, please. The moment you say, I am, you will become that. If you say, मेरे बाप ने मुझे बोला था, नालायक मुलगा, and आपने बोला, I am that, आप वो बन जाएंगे, सर. उनसे बड़ा बन गए. बन गए ना आप? अभी होलसेल में. जैसे ही मैं यहां पे बोलेंगे, I am infinite energy, she will become that infinite energy. Somebody says, मैं भगवान का अंश हूं, I am that, you will become that. Because the only two words, if you are not taking anything else from here, it's fine. But the only two words, my humble request, if you want to take any value tonight, just remember these two words, I am. Whatever you say after these two words, you will become that. That's my promise to you. Yes, you are. Yes, sir. And the moment you have decided, I am this, look at what's the purpose of your life. Are you really here for what you're doing now? Or you are doing something else, but you thought the purpose is different. Look at the purpose. The moment you start to look at these fundamental questions, and let me share it with you, these are very confronting. The purpose will define your goal. Please, get a visualization check done. Next, and compare yourself with only yourself. Do not compare yourself with anybody else in the world. You are actually infinite energy. I got that, buddies. Please stop that. Thank you so much, Neetu. Please stop that. See, my friends are keeping a test on that. They want to ensure that you be doing this. Yes. So you are infinite energy. Please. And let me share it with you. You are the programmer of your own life. How you really want to program yourself? We have a quick session to share with you. Einstein was a great human being. We all call him, right? A great human being, a genius. He said, I'm an average guy. I just am curiously engaged in everything in life. Yes, please. Next. Next. Programming for Success, just to share with you, is an initiative at a world level right now, which we are covering 3 countries, US, India, and Singapore. And we are talking of webinars, we are talking of seminars, we are talking of college curriculum, school curriculum, and we are talking of things that have not happened so far. Like right now, this event is being aired live on Facebook. Thank you so much. And you can yourself program by doing music therapies. Keep moving. Next. We don't have time for questions, but I will certainly be there during the breaks. And this is just one of the sessions that we are planning next. It's a 3-day, fully residential sessions for corporates, for individuals, for families. It's a fully residential 3-day program starting 13th of April. What you get are a host of benefits. Reigniting the spark, being unstoppable, generating results, leading teams, creating important milestones, and unleashing the true potential of being human. This is just a snapshot of it. And it's happening at a 72-acre wellness destination for world citizens. It's Govardhan Eco Village. It's just about 1.5 hours away from here. So I invite you to be a part of it. There's a number over here on the screen. Please look at this number. If you are ever interested in it, please do a SMS with your email ID and we'll look back. Thank you so much for your time and really, really looking forward for programming each one of us for success. Thank you. Thanks. Yes, BG. All yours.
Sorry, sir, it's
Oh, it's Arpita.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello, everybody. How are we today? Missing me? I'm missing you all. Okay. Wonderful talk about how to program yourself for success. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जैसे नीरज जी ने कही कि हमें पता है, ये मैंने पिछली बार भी कहा था, हमें पता है, लेकिन जैसे हम भूल गए हैं उन चीज़ों को. Thank you very much, Neeraj ji, for reinforcing. It's like the nail in the coffin which puts it in. Ladies and gentlemen, before मिलते हैं break के बाद, I would be giving you a small sneak peek into the next session's program. October से हम आ गए हैं February तक. And February, the month of love. But why is February only the month of love? Anybody? November is Children's Day. February is... I have people prompting from there, the month of love. तभी मुझे बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत दो लाइनें याद आती हैं कि तारीखों में बंद कर रह गया है इजहार मोहब्बत भी. तारीखों में बंद कर रह गया है इजहार मोहब्बत भी. रोज प्यार जताने का अब किसको फुर्सत है. लेकिन आप मुझे हमेशा कह सकते हैं that you love me and I love you all. I accept it with all my heart. तो इसीलिए इस फरवरी के महीने में हम बात करने वाले हैं प्यार, यानी we're going to be talking about love, relationships and emotions. The speakers that we had today and the speakers that we're going to have next time, I'm going to be talking about the speakers for the next time. They are, we have a guest speaker, Dr. Doris. She would be talking about experience love in silence. And there'll be a special session in laughter meditation. A very, very interesting topic. We have Miss Siji Varghese, who would be talking how to change your partner in 7 years. Every 7 years, yes, every 7 years. So, how to change your partner every 7 years. That is, of course, I'll be also telling you what are the takeaways, what are you going to learn from Miss Varghese. Understanding the line of control, that is the LOC in a relationship. Tapping into the X factor, making a new beginning. We have Abhishek Banerjee, who is going to be talking about between the lines. Talking about plugging in the miscommunication loopholes. How do you have miscommunication in relationships? Why do you have them? Communicating effectively through opposite affectivity. That's going to be something really, really interesting. Neural coupling and storytelling. We would have Miss Neetu Banthia, who would be talking about sanity in a vanity case. Image consultant, yes, of course. How inner image and self-image is developed. How body image impacts self-esteem. How to build a healthy body image and enhance your self-esteem. Dr. Shruti Maniktala, emotions checkmate is her topic. Emotions, how much is right? Choices and emotions, how to tame your emotions so that they work for you as opposed to against. And last but not the least, our last speaker for that day, that is in February, would be Miss Kaveri Puri, PS, I love me. Build a relationship with yourself, learning to be your own hero. Don't we want to be that? And practicing self-appreciation for little things, which basically means agar aaj maine chocolate ice cream khai hai, I would appreciate myself for that. Okay, sorry, going off the topic. So in all, we have 6 speakers in February. Thus, kindly note a change in the timing. We would have in February, the month of love, we would have a full 4-hour session, 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. 6 speakers. The tickets are available on the counters. If you feel somebody you know needs information on love, emotions and relationship, उन्हें अगली बार लाना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। तो थोड़ा सा प्यार का स्पर्श देकर तो देखो साहब, थोड़ा सा प्यार का स्पर्श देखो तो देकर तो देखो साहब। अक्सर मैं भी फंबल कर जाती हूँ। नहीं ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ सर, ये कंप्लीट नहीं था, ये कंप्लीट नहीं था। नहीं इंसान का शट अप। चलिए मैं फिर से शुरुआत करती हूँ। थोड़ा सा प्यार का स्पर्श देकर तो देखो साहब। इंसान का दिल भी एक टच स्क्रीन है भाई। इन गुलाबी ठंडियों के लिए बस लास्ट 2 लाइनें कि ए गुलाब, ये मेरे सारे दोस्त जो आगे बैठे हैं, ए गुलाब अपनी खुशबू मेरे दोस्तों पर न्यौछावर कर दे। ए गुलाब अपनी खुशबू मेरे दोस्तों पर न्यौछावर कर दे, क्योंकि सर्दियों में अक्सर ये नहाते नहीं हैं। बहुत So see you after a short break, but before that, Mr. Vishal Malkan, is he here? Yes. I would request Mr. Malkan to please come on stage. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice evening. Oh, of course. आप सभी को मकर संक्रांति और लोहड़ी की बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। गुलाब को।
Thank you. Good evening. So how are you doing today? So do you remember I was there last time also? Yes. But I got less time, so I took more time this time. Okay, before I start, can we just stand up? Please stand up. Been sitting like this since last 1.5 hours, So let's put your hands up to the right, to this side. Make some noise. Oh, this side. Back and front, and give a high five to the next person. Say, "You are awesome." And to one more person, say, "I am awesome." Or have a seat, Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So today, I am just here for 5 more minutes, okay? And I'll get you into the break. So what I'm going to talk about is, I've been, as most of you know, I've been into stock markets in the last 20 years. Since I was 16, I started trading and gone through lots of blunders in stock market. How many traders, investors, how many would like to get into stock market? Yeah. So I've been into that, and I know in and out, and I've been doing that since last so many years. And in the last 9 years, we started a training institute called Malkan's View Training Institute. Next, me and my wife are the founders of Malkan's View Training Institute. Now, just tell you a brief about my wife, that my wife is, Meghna Malkan, is a lawyer. She never traded in her life. She didn't know anything about stock market, but today she's a trader, trainer. We both regularly appear on 6 business channels, including CNBC English, Hindi, Gujarati, and Zee Business, NDTV, and Bloomberg. So what is our message? What is our mission is that stock market is not gambling, or it's not speculation. It's a business if you do it professionally. And what we are promoting is, there is a 2-day program which we are promoting called Anybody Can Trade. If Meghna can trade, I can bet anybody can trade. Because she's no background, she's a lawyer. Now anybody, and we have trained people like lawyers, doctors, engineers from various backgrounds, and now they are full-time traders. Or you don't need to be full-time, you can make a part-time income out of it, right? So let me share next. We do public seminars. So far in the 9 years, I've done more than 200 seminars in 10 cities in India. Next. I've been a trainer for Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, corporate house like DSP Merrill Lynch, Bank of America, and management institutes. Next. We regularly appear on business channels, as I mentioned. Next. We have our own seminars. Next. Okay. Next. One more. Next. Okay. Now, why I do training? Because I have been trained by the world's best trainers in trading as well as personal development. Because trading is more of a mind game. Stock market is more of a, what's the game? It's a mind game, right? So you really need to be good here. It's not about the strategy, it's about the mindset, right? So to develop my own mindset, I have gone through tons of training in the last 5, 6 years or 7 years, and including the big names like Robin Sharma, Tony Robbins, Brendan Burchard, and live and online programs. Like some of them are like next. These are all online programs I have attended, next. And live sessions with Alex Mendoza, next. Blair Singer, T. Harv Eker, Courtney Smith, Clinton Swain, Santosh Nair in India. Next, Jerry Roberts, Zultan, Bill, Larry Gilman, Mac Attram, Sneh Desai, Robert Riopal, Blair Singer. And so that's what I've been working, and it's a fixed budget which I work. Every year I spend some amount of money on upgrading myself. Like what we are here is upgrading ourselves on various topics, right? It's a wonderful platform, fantastic platform from various people from various background and various subjects they are teaching here for half an hour. That gives a fantastic platform. So it's very important you need to upgrade yourself. So what we do in this 2-day program, not only work on your mindset, we also work on how do you select the stock, when do you buy, when do you sell, and how much do you buy? So including the risk management. The first word when it comes to stock market, most people think it is risky, right? How many think stock market is risky? It's gambling or speculation, but when you do it in a systematic manner, anybody can trade. Now this 2-day program is coming up on 21st and 22nd of January in Mumbai at the club, Andheri West, DN Nagar. It's a 2 full-day program. What we give is, next. It's 21st, 22nd January 2017, the club. What are you going to learn? 2 time-tested strategies which we have back-tested for so many years on several stocks, which you can put to use immediately. So Monday onwards, you can start trading. Second, 4-step process for successful trading. What are the 4 steps? How to become successful trader or an investor. Next, who can attend? Professionals who want separate income, regular. Employed men who want to become self-employed. Homemakers. So many housewives have attended my program and now they have started trading. And fresh graduates who want to make a career in financial markets. Right. Can we have a video? Just 1-minute video on people who have attended the program last time. Loud. Volume.
Stock market and anything. The best part about this program is, and Vishal, is their core value simplicity. That I like it the best in this program.
मुझे सच में बिलीव नहीं होता है ये इतना सिंपल है कि मैं आराम से कर सकती हूँ.
Cleared lot of myths about stock trading, and the systems which were taught to us is so simple, that anyone can enter into stock market at his will and earn as much as he can.
I love the way he taught us in these 2 days. It was very simple and very simply taught.
And I'm a B graduate, I'm an IT engineer, so I have no idea about the stock market at all. And each and every concept was so beautifully explained by sir. I'm very grateful to him. Thank you, sir.
It has increased my confidence that good money can be made out of it and I'm at the right place.
I have more than 20 years of experience in trading and he was the best trainer, and this was the best training program I have attended up till now.
A lot of myths were broken of myself.
Stop and go back to the video.
But he tells you the correct picture.
So those are some of the people who have attended the program, and one word which you hear commonly is it's so simple. Even anybody and everybody can trade, right? Now, for people who are sitting, generally, if you look at all the trainings I have attended in the last 7 years, if I add all the cost, all the things which I have learned, it will go into like 25, 30, 40 lakhs, because not even counting the flights and the stay which I have not attended all programs in Mumbai. Those are all international people. So what I would like to have, the regular price for this program next is 15,400, but people sitting here, I have only 20 seats who go first to the counter outside. There's a counter outside. First 20 people who registered today will get this 6,600 price, and that's the deal off. And even I would like to give you a couple of more things is, by end of Saturday, first day, 21st January, when you attend the 1 full day program, and then you come to me that, sir, I didn't like your training, I didn't enjoy, I didn't have fun, it's not value for money. I give you 100% refund back, no questions asked. Okay? And after this 2-day program, there'll be 1 month WhatsApp support on how to trade. So I'll make sure that at least you make this money back within that one month for sure. And to top it up, if you bring your spouse, parent or sibling, one family member, we give for another 50% off, which will be like 3,300. So 2 people for 9,900. But only for the first 20 people who go back right now to the stall there and register, for them, I am offering this for this growth journey people specially. Thank you so much. I had a wonderful time, and next 15 minutes we are going to have a break, and then we start with the next session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vishal. It's not a 15-minute break. It could be a 7-minute break, and we want you back because the other speakers are waiting, and I'm sure you're waiting for them. Just a 7-minute break. That's all. Thank you.